Hello and welcome to the Knowledge channel. In this short video, I will show you how you can change or set custom ringtones in Samsung Galaxy F62. So in this video, I will also show you how you can change notification sounds in F62. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to do this, first of all you just need to go to Play Store and then follow every single step as I am showing you in this video.